ahead. Okay, there's the piggy. Yep, put the piggy in. Okay. Cow. Uh-huh. Okay, put the chicken. Put the chick. Chick. Okay. Yep. Put the sheep. Bah. Put the sheep in. Good job. Oh, you're going to take him out? Okay. Good job. Good job. Next page? Next page. Put the chicken. Uh-huh. No. What are you doing? Put the piggy. Uh-huh. Put the chick. Yep. Oh. Flip them over. Okay. Put the sheep. Which one are you going to do?